This video will take you through how to manage groups as a facilitator. I'm logged into my account as a facilitator and I've entered into the relevant course. In this case, it's marketing analytics. As you can see at the top, we've got two different views, deliver and learn. I'm currently in deliver. From here, you can see your class list, which consists of all learners in your program, and then any groups that are set up. In this course, we've got one type of group, which is activity groups. A course can have multiple different types of groups. For example, you might have activity groups and then a different set of groups for a project. The types of groups will be set up by the program designer or program coordinator. As a facilitator, though, you have the option to assign participants to groups. As you can see here, we've got a description of the group at the top of the screen, and then an overview of how many groups we have, how many total participants, and whether we've got any participants who are not yet assigned to a group. Over on the right-hand side, you can see that currently we're set to automatic group allocation. This means that participants will be automatically allocated to groups. You can edit the settings via this screen. To walk through these options, we've got the title of the group. I've called this activity groups. We've then defined whether participants can edit the group name if they'd like to create their own name for their group, whether the facilitator can manage groups, a description, and then the automatic group allocation. We've got a couple of different options for automatic group allocation. You can base it on a defined number of groups. In this case, I want 3 groups, which means however many participants I end up with on the course, they'll be evenly distributed across those 3 groups. The other option is maximum participants per group. For example, if I wanted everyone split into groups of 5 maximum, again, those course participants would be evenly distributed across those groups, ensuring that no group was larger than 5. If you'd like to run the allocation, you can use this button down in the corner. Alternatively, you can switch off auto group allocation. There are some situations where you might want to assign your participants to groups manually. For example, if you wanted to ensure not too many people from the same organisation or the same role were in the same group. From here, you can see which participants are in which group, how many members are in the group, how many scheduled sessions the group is involved in, any completed sessions, group tasks, and completed tasks. To adjust your groups, use the 3 dots on the right-hand side. You can rename the group. You can view who is in the group. Let's take a look at this one. From here, I can see who's in my group, what their role and organisation is, and I can also add more participants to the group from here. Our other options for groups are displayed down the side. We've got group sessions and we've got group tasks. In this case, I don't have any group sessions set up, but I do have one group task. A group task differs from an individual task. An individual task means every participant will need to complete and submit the tasks themselves. Whereas a group task, they only need to do one submission on behalf of the group. Returning back to our group list, we've seen group membership, group sessions, group tasks, and then finally we have the option to delete the group. And that's how you manage groups in Academy.